Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in apps into your Discord server. So you can only do this if you are an admin or if you own the server. So here there's add your first app, but if you can't find it, go to the settings section and go to app directory. Here you can find entertainment, there's games, there is moderation and tools, social and utilities. Let's try the games one. There's the one that I want to try. Let's go back to all actually. Let's just escape that. Hold on. Let's go back here, and for instance, I want to play this game quiz. So there's quizzes, add an app, add to the server you want it to be in, and make sure you scroll down to select authorize. And now the app will be here. Type in like dash, and then here let's scroll down to see how to play this. I actually don't know how to enable this, but you'll see from these that you can try to guess the try to guess the game title. Let's try Fortnite. Oh, okay. I have to do screen to start it. And it's going to load a screenshot. And now I'm going to try to guess it. I think it's air flight simulator. So I'm just going to type that in. It's close. Okay. Airplane simulator. I actually don't know what it is. I'm not going to try to guess now, but that's how you can add apps to your Discord server. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!